Let's go down to rational or reducing rational expressions. We're doing 2.1. Man, look at all that mess. What a mess. Okay, so hopefully, oh my god, I wrote x to the 12th down on my paper. Something is up with that. Y to the 4th minus 4 x to the 16th y to the 3rd over 3x to the 8th y to the 11th plus x to the 8th, and of course the cursor's in the way as usual, and y to the 10th. Alright, so let's see what we can do here. I need to actually make sure I wrote everything down correctly. My track record so far is not good with this section. X to the 15th, y to the 4th, negative 4x to the 16th, and y to the 3rd. Okay, now all we got to do is write it down. X to the 15th, y to the 4th. It's ridiculous. I mean, the lighting, my setup here is not very good right now. I'm in the dark, kinda. Y to the 3rd. Okay, 3x to the 8th. Y to the 11th. Plus x to the 8th and y to the 10th. Got it. So what are we trying to do here? Reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. Okay. It looks like what we're going to be doing here, it looks to me like we're going to be pulling out some stuff. We got an x to the 15th, an x to the 16th. So you always pull the one out that has the smallest exponent. Okay. So we're going to be pulling out an x to the 15th, it looks like. We have a y to the 4th and a y to the 3rd. So we're going to pull out a y to the 3rd. Okay, start parentheses. So we pulled out all 15 in there. We pulled out a y to the 3rd, so we're just going to be left with one y. And then, okay, so we got a 4 here. And we pulled out 15 of the x's. There's 16 here, so we're going to be left with one of them. Alright, so far so good. Let's take a look at the denominator. Okay, so we have 8x's. 8x's, we're definitely going to be pulling out 8x's. We have 11y's here, 10y's. So we always pull the one out, smallest exponent, start parentheses. Right, we didn't pull the 3 out. Pulled all 8 of those out. We're going to be left with just one y. And then plus, right, and it looks like a 1 right here. Yeah, pulled all 10 of them out, so we're left with that. Now look at here, this is where we're going to be doing the canceling. You know what, we'll just rewrite it right here. So we have 15x's in the numerator, 8x's in the denominator. Cancel all 8 out in the denominator, and we'll be left with 5, 6, 7 x's in the numerator. And then we'll pull out all those, and we'll be left with what, 7 y's. Alright. And then we got y minus 4x over 3y plus 1. Okay, so there you go. And where are we at here? No, that's it. Wait a minute. Okay, I think that's it. That's too long, man. Let's see, what did I end up doing? It looks like I ended up multiplying this back inside. X to the 7th times y, didn't leave it in the factored form. X to the 7th times y minus 4x to the 8th. Right, multiplying this back in, 4x to the 8th, this would be 3y to the 8th plus y to the 7th. Yeah, so I went ahead, after we did the canceling stuff, I went ahead and just distributed it back across. Okay, and got it back out of the factored form, it looks like. Alright. Okay, so we're over here at go2math.com, working on it, and see you in the next problem.